In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Chrome virus. If your browser has been acting strange with constant pop-up ads, sudden redirects, fake virus warnings, or your searches keep getting hijacked to engines you didn't choose, this guide is for you. We'll clean up Chrome, restore your settings, and check your PC for malware so you can browse safely again. Start by removing suspicious Chrome extensions. In Chrome's address bar, type chrome/extensions and press Enter. Carefully review everything listed. If you see extensions you don't recognize, ones you never intentionally installed, or anything marked as installed by enterprise policy that you didn't set up, click Remove. Malicious extensions are a frequent cause of redirects, ads, and strange search results, so trimming these out often delivers instant relief. Next, reset Chrome to undo harmful changes. Type Chrome/settings/reset and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This resets your startup page, new tab, search engine, and disables all extensions while keeping your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. Google recommends this when malware alters your homepage, search, or browsing. Now verify your search engine. Go to Chrome, Settings, Search, and set your preferred choice, such as Google, DuckDuckGo, or Bing if you actually want it. Remove any suspicious or unfamiliar search engines so they can't take over again. Then scan your computer for malware. On Windows, open Windows Security, choose Virus and Threat Protection, and run a quick scan. If problems persist, follow up with a full scan for a deeper check. You can also use trusted tools like Malwarebytes or Microsoft Defender to catch adware and browser hijackers. If Chrome keeps getting reinfected, look for and uninstall suspicious apps on your PC. That brings us to removing risky programs. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Uninstall unknown software, fake antivirus tools, search manager programs, and adware toolbars. If you're unsure about a program, search it first and only keep what you recognize and need. Clear abusive notifications next. Type Chrome/settings content notifications and review the allowed list. Remove any sites you don't trust or don't remember allowing. Many fake virus alerts come from sites that were granted notification permissions. Finally, update Chrome. Visit Chrome/settings, help to check for updates and install security fixes automatically. Keeping Chrome current closes known security holes. A quick warning before we wrap up. Avoid fake virus pop-ups, random Chrome cleanup tools, and unknown extension removers. Security researchers have reported that malicious extensions often pose as helpful utilities. Stick to Chrome's built-in tools and reputable security software. Follow these steps, and your browser should be back to clean, fast, and secure.